then I just got my Christmas present, and it was snap circuits. It was really cool, and it contained many different parts. And then when I first started, I didn't know what to do, but there is a owner's manual, and it taught me how to do it. And then when I started working on the projects, I found that it was really cool with all these different things, like the music thingy. It allowed me to hear music. And then I really liked it because it was kind of both of a challenge for the brain to know what was happening with the electric flow, and then it was also very fun. It was kind of like a puzzle because it snapped together, and its name is Snap Circuits. And when it snapped together, it allowed the electric current to flow through, and then it allowed to do some really amazing things. It had this speaker, which had this. This could play the music, and it was really interesting. And for this fan, it looked like a flint fan, and there was something that could move it at the bottom. When you close the switch, which was, let me get it. This, it was a slide switch. Then this could pop up into the air. It was really fun playing with this, and I loved it. There are 5 books of experiments. You can do all these. You can do 750 electronic projects, and I mean, you could never get bored of it. It's really fun, whatever age you are, and you can do a lot of fun projects. I have done a few because I just got this set, but they just interest me so much that I wanted to do it every day. For these little bits, they snap together, make electricity flow through them, and then they create actually electronic toys. You just snap them together, and then they just move all the parts, like this fan, as I demonstrated earlier. I have done a project with this fan, and my brother kept playing with it. He could never get enough of it because it just kept popping into the air suddenly, and then it was just so fun. Now I can build a project that I really enjoyed. The fan was my favorite part. Project 2 from book 1. You guys can do it along with me if you want. And first, we're going to need this B1 part, and then we need 2 AA batteries, like this one. And put them in. Mine's already here. We put the flat part, which is here, to the spring, and then you snap it in. Okay, and then as you see, here is a grid. The grid is actually this, and then you put the battery. Here is 2 snaps, and then you put them on 4. Make sure the 1 and the A are in your top left corner, and that should be right. It looks like this when you're done. And then we need to take out this little thing. It's the thing that makes, part M1. The batteries first. The top snap of the battery, like this. Then you get one of the 3 snaps, which basically means that you have 3 snaps. And then you put them on, you have to take this off for a second. You put it on number 2 and number 1. The point where they connect. So it looks like this. You can put the fan, this fan on top, or you can put it on later. It doesn't matter. And then you find S1, which is the slide switch. It looks like this. You put it on the place where the battery and the, oh my god, I accidentally did that because this is on. Okay, turn it off and then put it on, or else it'll just start spinning. And then you snap it on. Wait, let me check if this is right. For this, if you want it to blast off, you need the plus toward the 3 and the minus. It doesn't say, but it's the opposite of the plus. Opposite side of the plus. It's here, and it has to face the batteries is plus, or else it won't blast off. And then, if you start the switch, it starts spinning. Oh my god, where did it land? Sorry, I must have accidentally lifted it a little bit. And then it starts spinning. If you close it, there. Sometimes it lands awkwardly, like on top of the Christmas tree or something like that, so be aware. And then that was my favorite project. Bye! Thank you for watching.